burnt garlic noodles. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Zai and let's make an all-time favorite dish. The name of the recipe is burnt garlic noodles. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. To make burnt garlic noodles, we would require chopped garlic, salt, crushed black peppercorns, soy sauce, sesame oil, vinegar, spring onions, boiled noodles. So since this recipe says it's burnt garlic noodles, we'll have to make the burnt garlic for the recipe. So for that, I've already heated a non-stick pan and will add the sesame oil to it. In this recipe, I am using sesame oil since it is used in most of the Chinese dishes. However, if you don't like sesame oil or if you don't have it at home, you can easily replace it with normal oil. Okay, so to this we'll add the chopped garlic. Reduce the flame and just spread the garlic evenly. Now keep one thing in mind, whenever you make fried garlic at home, make sure that you have a strainer and a bowl ready to strain the oil from the garlic. So once it starts getting the brown color, we'll quickly strain the oil and use the fried garlic. It has started getting brown color. At this stage, you have to quickly strain the oil, and because of the carryover heat or the carryover cooking, the garlic will be even more darker in the color. So this is the fried garlic ready. Now we have to toss the noodles. I have taken a wok or a deep pan. We'll take the same oil for tossing the noodles and make sure that the heat is high. Chinese food is all about high heat and quick cooking. So just make sure that your heat is absolutely high whenever you add any vegetables or any meat to the pan. Let the oil be nice and hot. You can add the spring onions in the pan. Just saute it lightly. Do not have to brown the onions. They have to be nice and crunchy. After we quickly saute the onions, we'll add the boiled noodles. We'll add some seasonings. We'll begin with some crushed black peppercorns, some salt, soy sauce. Soy sauce already contains good amount of salt, so make sure that you go little low on salt, soy sauce, and finally some vinegar. To this we'll add half the quantity of the burnt garlic and we'll reserve some for garnishing, and that's it. Toss. Mix it nicely so that all the flavors get mixed well with each other. We'll quickly turn off the heat and serve the noodles in a serving bowl. We'll quickly sprinkle the remaining burnt garlic on top of the noodles. Garnish it with some more spring onions. So quick and easy burnt garlic noodles are ready. If you're a fan of Chinese and you want to make something at home, this is the simplest recipe that you can make.